Are you ready? Transformation, are you ready? Yes, 5-day challenge. We move from one to the other. We clean out the estate. We take all the stuff, we categorize it, sort it out, and then voila, you have a brand new place ready for a new family to move in. If you are an estate administrator, if you are personal representative, if you are an executor, if you are a family senior adult citizen who needs to move into a care facility and you need the space that's full of stuff, live stuff that needs to be cleaned out. We are ready to work with you. It's a 5-day free challenge that we have in online, June 5th to June 9th. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., 1 hour daily. And this will get the place all done and get you transformed into a new living space for a new family to move in.